Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Wei Song, group leader of GPT-0. Today, I would like to share our project Talkable, which aims to bridge the communication gap between deaf and mute community and normal people with all. The main target audience of Talkable are deaf and mute community and everyone who would like to learn sign language from all backgrounds. Deaf and mute has always been struggling with communications, as most of the time they cannot communicate and express themselves efficiently, which leads to the isolation. That's why we built Talkable. We don't want to leave them behind. We want to love, care, and serve them. Talkable was built to provide offline, interesting, efficient, and effective sign language resource to everyone, including deaf and mute, and those who want to learn and lend a hand of help. We also want to let everyone to express themselves effortlessly. Talkable solves for both problem statements 1 and 5, which is catalyzing education for underserved communities and bridging the digital divide. So, how Talkable works and how it helps them. First, we have the augmented reality learning. When the user points their smartphone cameras at objects, the sign language videos will then superimpose on those objects. This function is very essential for kids who like to explore the world. Fan, door, tree, laptop. He can learn a lot of new sign language from his or her environment. These features provide an immersive learning experience for them, making them to absorb the knowledge more faster. Next, Talkable has library of image to sign language. Unlike hearing individuals, we cannot simply describe what is the badminton to them because they cannot hear. Therefore, we utilize the powerful image processing skills of their right brain. We provide two pictures to them. One is the animation of the badminton and the another is the sign language of the badminton. Then they will be able to connect two of them and they will know, oh, the things like this can be signed like this. A good news. Both of the two features that I mentioned above, which helps users to learn sign language in an effective way, can be run in offline mode, which those who do not have constant network connectivity can still learn sign language without internet. Let us continue with the sign language recognition function of Talkable. As its name indicates, it recognizes sign language gestures made by deaf and mute users and translate them into text. These features allow hearing individuals to understand what a deaf and mute want to convey. Next is the very sad case. The user is an elders who do not educated, he don't know how to sign, and he also don't know the other language. So how Talkable can help us? The user can input the emojis which can represent various emotions, objects, and actions. Talkable will then use the ChatGPT API and translate them into text so that the normal people can know what they want to convey. Lastly, we have the text to sign language features. Sign language is the primary language for deaf and mute. Therefore, to make the conversation more smoothly, hearing individuals can input text and then Talkable will translate it in sign language syntax and then generate video based on the text. That's all for the current functionalities of Talkable. Now, I would like to share some improvements that can be done in the future. First, localization. Just as spoken language has different accents and words in different places, sign language also has their unique sign depending on where you are. To make Talkable truly useful for everyone, we plan to contact and work closely with experts and people who use this local sign language. Next is sign language integration for storybooks. This feature aims to make stories and literature more accessible to individuals who use sign language as their primary language. We want them to be able to enjoy the fun of storybooks without worrying the words in different languages that they didn't familiar. In conclusion, Talkable is not just an app. It is a powerful tool for social change. It empowers the deaf and mute community, fosters inclusivity, and breaks down communication barriers. With the support and adoption of Talkable, we can create a world where everyone, regardless of their mode of communication, has equal opportunities to learn, work, and engage in society. That's all from me. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.